Hey everybody, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. I am Remington, the design manager here at Stone Mill. Welcome to my dining room or my temporary office until we can all return to work. I hope everybody else is washing your hands and staying safe out there. So we had a fan follower submit a question a couple weeks ago in the contest, and the question was, how can you add rooms to a floor plan that you like? And that is a great question because that is what my team and I spend the majority of our days doing, is modifying floor plans to fit clients' needs. Because there is no such thing as a perfect plan. So you find one that you like and you think this will work for us, but you still need to do a couple of tweaks to add some things. So the best advice I can give is to speak with the people who came up with the plan, because ultimately it was their vision and it was their idea, and if you want to start adding things to it, they are going to help take your needs and fit it within the original vision of the home to make it work. They also will understand things that could add significant cost to the project, like if you alter the footprint or the roof lines, things like that. So talking with them can really help you get what you want and hopefully keep it within your budget, because that is the ultimate goal, to find all the things that you need, but keep it within your budget. So if you find yourself changing too much of the house, I'm always going to say, don't be afraid to move on. If you end up adding things or taking things away and you've changed more than 20%, 30% of the home, don't be afraid to move on. It might not be the right plan, because if it is, you wouldn't find yourself needing to change that much of it to make it fit your lifestyle. So building a custom home is something that is a custom process. Everybody is different and everybody has different needs. So again, great question, and thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you back next week.